What's good, everybody? It's your boy Marcelino. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, day one of Road to Get Into Funding. I did decide that I am going to show you guys that I did buy the challenge, but I'm going to do that tomorrow because today is a bit busy and I do want to do a bit of back testing. So what happened was this morning I woke up normal time, half past four, got my meditations done, did some stretches just because I was prepping for gym early enough. The trading session came along, and well, there was one pair that I was looking at. It was really it was EJ. So I was looking at EJ sales in London or pre-London, and it didn't really meet any of my rules to actually take a trade, so I didn't take a trade. And as I mentioned to you guys, this whole week I'm going to be taking one trade per day. Then I came back for my second session, went to gym first of all, knocked the shit out of gym even though it's cold. It's cold as fuck out here in Cape Town, guys, and it's been raining, like raining in terms of like just pouring. I can't fathom, but yeah, it is what it is. So decided to go to gym in the rain just because I want to stay consistent. My second week back at gym, staying consistent, pushing out, pushing that dumbbells, pushing that barbell, did some chest, and then got back, checked the charts, and it's Monday. So according to my data that I have with my specific trading strategy, uh, the I don't necessarily do the best on Mondays. I know Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, surprisingly, are some of my best days. Wednesday not being necessarily the best day. So yeah, guys. So what I did was when I got back from gym, obviously I had something to eat. I didn't shower yet, but then I looked at the charts, checked if there was anything that was actually tradable, and according to my strategy there was nothing that was tradable. Now I do know that DXY is sitting in a range, so most of my pairs are actually linked with USD. So because DXY is sitting in that tiny range right there, uh, I'm not necessarily going to be trading too much. So what I'm going to be doing is, even this week I won't be trading that much. So the faster we can get out of that range on the 4 hour, the better trades I'm gonna be getting. I don't want to be switching up my strategy now when I'm actually doing the challenge. I'm just gonna be doing the challenge exactly the way I've been trading for the past couple of months, exactly the way my risk management is the most important thing, following the risk management guides. And if I do that, I should be able to survive this. Okay, guys, we first of all, we first want to survive, preserve capital, protect capital, uh be aggressive in managing risk, and then from there we can just decide exactly what how the profits, because I feel like the profits will come, guys. The profits will come. Just manage your risk aggressively. So today, no trades really. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna jump into some back testing EJ, because I really need to get my numbers together on EJ so that I can include it into this strategy. So today is looking like it's a perfect day to backtest, since I'm not really trading in my trading session. I'm just calling null and void for my second trading session, pre New York into New York. Null and void, completely null and void, because of me not seeing what I want to see. I'm not gonna be in the markets uh trying to find a setup or chasing a setup, because the more you do that, the more likely you are to actually fail, or the more likely you are to actually lose when you are actually doing those type of things. So let's not chase the market, guys. It's only Monday. We still have the whole week ahead of us. This We still have a whole month ahead of us too. So we're looking like, I love the fact that my discipline, if I can talk on this, like the fact that previous months where I was trading, or even previous years where I was trading, I think I used to look for a trade, especially when I came across this day trading type concept. I used to really look for a trade where I must trade today. And if I don't find a trade on one specific pair, I'm gonna look for it on a different pair. I'm gonna look for it on a different pair. But if there's no trade, guys, don't force a trade, because when the good days come, you want to have preserved that capital so that you're not necessarily covering losses but you're making money. Okay, so that's my whole goal is just to preserve capital as much as I can preserve. If I can preserve capital more, then that means we're going to be making more money instead of covering losses. So yeah, even though my losses is going to be quite small, if we can make money in a whole, then that's way better than losing, and then covering those losses with your win. So don't force the market. Don't do anything that a professional trader wouldn't do, because when you do step into prop firm levels and you are trying to actually gain funding, this is when you are stepping into, in my opinion, personally, in my opinion, you are starting to step into and become a professional trader now, because now you are going to get bigger funds. You're going to be getting uh, a bigger portfolio ultimately to handle. And you do know that professional traders don't necessarily just open their portfolio up to any nonsense type of trade. So yeah, guys, let's really just hold down in terms of risk management, portfolio management, and then we'll be able to be a success at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter. And yeah, so let me go jump in the shower and then come back and do a bit of back testing. Peace out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do like, do subscribe, and yeah, comment down below if there is anything that you guys want in specific for me to speak about. So today, not really anything done. However, we're looking forward to tomorrow and to the rest of the week, guys. Peace out.